Salt flood? Wow. This is just unreal.
This is crazy.
I'm a scrapper, that's what I do.
Oh yeah.
It's working the mine. I got covered up twice. Last time I got covered up, I got killed. I thought I quit then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that about it the second time. Took 2.5 hours to get me out. I figured I'd try something different.
So what are this? This is just where they're trashing everything?
This is where everything got flooded, yeah.
Oh, this stuff just got washed up here like this?
No, they hauled it in here, but it just got washed up the creeks and stuff.
Okay. I haven't seen any dump sites.
It destroyed the whole place, but it covered us up with it, put cars off houses and everything.
Oh, I know. I see.
It's where public houses off.
I know, we've seen a few of them.
Yeah. Don't go down Montgomery. Down Montgomery too. Bad.
Montgomery?
Montgomery and Auburn, yeah.
Who do you think got the worst of it?
Curry probably got the worst of it.
Carrie?
Yeah.
All right.
Bad shape down there. People's houses and everything on.
Have they even been able to get to them yet?
Oh yeah, they got down there, but I mean, destroyed everything.
Wow.
Sure it is.
That's crazy. That's
yeah, I like to say that. It's a big 2-story house. It's away.
Yeah, we saw some of it out in Jackson, and it was crazy. And like the more we've been traveling, just keep seeing more and more. It's really, really astonishing.
Did it get pretty good there in Jackson?
Parts of it did. There's a few spots we saw, like a little bit more west of Jackson and stuff like that got it worse. Like there's some houses picked up, moved around, like stuff that looks like it was completely covered. You know, waters were going. Like we went there, actually Thursday was that we went down. We didn't realize how bad it was.
I know we went down there and helped rescue them little kids that got killed. Well, we didn't rescue them, but found them dead. You know. My son drug the last one out of the water.
Yikes.
I found a guy under a light pole. He blew it beside my truck there and walked in a trailer down there. And there was the whole family laying in it dead. It was off, so yeah, it was bad.
That was bad. How fast did the waters come up around here?
Oh God, quick. I mean, I was downstairs and I looked out the window and it was up to the bridge. And I went upstairs to use the restroom and went to the bedroom and looked out the window and it was up to my truck, up to the door locks on my truck.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. So you live around here then, I'm guessing, or?
I live over in Caney.
Oh.
Caney got it bad too, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we've been trying to drive around and check out some of the places and see it, because like I said, you know, we went to Jackson just like, we didn't realize how bad it was gonna be. We got there like right as everything was getting ready to crest, or like was around its peak. It was still going up. Like, you know, we drove down the road, 20 minutes later, came back, couldn't go down that road again, kind of stuff. And
yeah, Caney back got washed away. I mean, I can't swim, and I tried to rescue this lady, swept off and stepped in a little water hole, and I didn't think it deep down. It went 7 foot over my head, and by the time I got to her, she was dead. So couldn't do nothing.
how many people do you think got lost?
Well, they're still looking for most of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, a lot of people. They just have a lot of people.
Yeah.
Sure did.
Oh, wow.
Like a lot of people, sissy. Sure did.
That's crazy.
Yeah. A lot of people dead and gone now.
Yeah, it's been really something. Yeah, we've been.
It took a lot of children too. That's what hurts the most, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of little children, you know.
Oh.